Thomas used to grumble in the shed at night. I'm tired of pushing coaches. I want to see the railroad. The other engine didn't take much. But you notice what Thomas with the little engine with the long tongue. Beep, beep. Hoot, hoot. One night, Edward came to the shed. He was a kind little engine and felt sorry for them. I've got some tricks to take home tomorrow. If you pull them for me, I'll put the shiny coaches in the yard. Thank you, said Thomas. That will be lovely. So they asked their drivers, and they said, well, yes. Well, yes. Well, yes. Thomas ran outside. Beep, beep. And Edward went out to go find the shirt. Now, trucks are silly and noisy. They talk a lot and talk. And I'm sorry to say that he's not used to it. Edward knew all about Thomas, all about trucks. But Thomas was too excited. The guard blew his whistle. Beep, beep, and started up. Oh, wait, Thomas, wait. Thomas, wait. Come on. Okay, don't. All right, don't fuss. All right. Thomas began to go fast. Sweet, she said as he watched him. Harry. Yo, said Thomas. The trucks grew closer and closer. Soon, Thomas slowed down as the kid. No. No, the guy was going. No. Steady, Thomas. He began to. Was stopping. Thomas. Oh, go on. No, go on. Before the driver could stop. Before the driver could stop them there. Poor Thomas tried to stop them. I'm going to stop pushing. No. Oh dear, there's the station. What shall we do? We loud and shut it up. Stop, dun, 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 dun. When he opened his eyes, he had stopped just in front of the buffers. Dun, they watching him with the fat control. Dun, 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 dun. Thomas, why were you doing that? I didn't mean to, sir. I was pushed. You have a lot to learn about little trucks, Thomas. And you'll be really useful. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.